Hi guys, it's Blocky again. Let's go on a fun building adventure. Let's start.
Whoa! Yay!
Now that the base is ready, how about we add a slide? This build is gonna be amazing. Let's add some corals. That looks great, doesn't it? And now for a tropical fish. And of course, we're gonna need an ocean turtle. Check it out, guys. Our building blocks are coming to life. Let's add some more flowers. And of course, do you know what animal this is? And look at this. This building block has a hole inside. Do you know what this is for? Guess what? We're gonna hide this tube into this block so we can blow some air bubbles into our fish tank. That's gonna be awesome. Check it out. Let's click this Lego block right here. Did you see that? Our whale has also a hole on the top. You see where this is going, right? It's gonna be awesome. And just like that, check it out guys, our building blocks are ready to go in our tank. Are you ready? How about we add the building blocks inside the aquarium and see what it looks like? And don't forget, you can try this at home. You can find the toys we used in the link in the description. It fits just perfect. Look at all those colorful building blocks. We have a tropical fish, a turtle, and a whale. But of course, something's missing. It's time to add the gravel. Are you ready? Let's start. There you go. The gravel's in the fish tank. But I think we're missing something. That's right. We need to put some water now. Let's go. And now that we're done with water, how about we test the bubble machine? Are you ready? Check this out. Let's turn it on. So many air bubbles. But this aquarium is still missing something. Can you guess what it is? Of course. We need to put some fish inside. Are you ready? Here come our two glowfish, a yellow and an orange. Look at how cute they are. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Gotta kick you, little cricket.